Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a super simple way to enable or disable automatic updates in WordPress, okay? Without using any plugin, okay? Without using any plugin we do it. Let's jump right in, okay? For disable automatic update, if you want to completely turn off automatic updates, if you want automatic completely update like theme plugins, everything, go to your theme. Here go to your reference and you can see theme file editor, and here you can see function.php, okay? And here after function.php, here you can, if you want to disable, okay, disable automatic updates, just copy this code and paste here, okay? That's it. WordPress will no longer update after add this code. That's it. WordPress will no longer update automatically after this code, okay? Then update the file, okay? And if you want to enable, okay, if you want to enable all core updates like theme plugin, etc., if you want to enable it, just copy this code and just copy it and paste here, okay? Now WordPress will automatically install updates again, okay? You can control this code, and that's it all. A simple way to control WordPress automatic updates with it without any plugins. Make sure to back up your site before changing anything. If this is helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below. Okay, thanks for watching. And you get this code. Check my description, check the video description, and just copy this and paste there. Thank you.